In this quick tutorial, we will show you where to view expired items and documentations. Let's navigate to the list of expired items. On this screen, there is nothing to create. It's simply for viewing purposes. You will see expired documentation and services or items whose due date has passed. Let me give you a quick overview. When you select the main category like documents, items, or fuel cards, different subtabs will appear underneath. Documents. These will be tracked for your workers, items, projects, and company, including any documents you've attached to your profile. Items. This section tracks registrations, services, and warranties. This is why we recommend entering this information when creating items, so you will be notified on time. Fuel cards. Here, only the expiry dates of the cards themselves are tracked. Additionally, you can set a custom reminder when creating a document to choose when the notification should arrive. If you don't set a custom reminder, the notification will be sent by default on the expiry date. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions.